Your girl is 2 weeks off. I'm so excited. And as you can guess from the title of this video, I have decided to stay home and enjoy my rent. Last year, I was so fortunate to be able to travel to so many places. So with this vacation coming up, I was asking myself, do I really want to travel somewhere, or do I feel like I need to travel somewhere because it's my vacation and you got to go somewhere when you're off, right? And let's be honest, traveling can be really expensive, especially as a solo traveler. And I just didn't feel like I wanted to spend the money on that. And I'm all for spending money on experiences, but I'm also for being financially responsible. I do have a trip coming up later this year, and I also have a wedding, which I'll be attending as a bridesmaid. So that also involves costs. And I will be attending Hubipalooza in Berlin. And I'm also saving money for BTS, So I decided to stay home. And I'm so excited for it because when was the last time I stayed at home, enjoyed my rent and everything that also this city and the area has to offer without having to work? I think during COVID. So I'm going to take you along on my 2 weeks off, and it's going to be a mix of getting shit done because I need to get shit done, like cleaning my freezer, doing my taxes, and other things that I can't or don't want to think of right now. And then also fun stuff like going to IKEA. I can't remember the last time I was at IKEA. Eventually getting a haircut. I'll also be organizing an event for the community. I have my sister visiting, stuff like that, I think So yeah, I am very, very excited. And I would like to add that being able to make the conscious decision to stay at home instead of traveling somewhere is a huge privilege, and I'm incredibly grateful to be in that position because, let's be honest, not everybody has this option. So yeah, that was really important for me to say that because I feel like, and I'm including myself in that, we compare ourselves a lot with everything that's going on in social media, but not all of it is real. I'm always pro making financially responsible decisions. Doesn't mean that you shouldn't have fun. You should have fun, but with the resources that you have. Okay, end of lecturing time now. Let's enjoy my vacation, but we'll start with a few to-dos first. I might have fixed a problem with my washing machine recently. After every wash, there would be water accumulating here, which is not the norm. And it just happened the last 3 or 4 times. And it was concerning because I don't want to break my washing machine. So I just took it out to clean. Turns out this hole here was clogged. So I really hope that was the problem. I will test it out later. But I really hope that was the problem, because if not, then that would mean there is a bigger issue with that, which I really can't deal with right now. So yeah, fingers crossed. I'm going to test it out and report back. Done! Finally. This took much longer than I anticipated. Next time I'll just use the hairdryer earlier so I get done faster. But look how much space there actually is. Space that I can use for food instead of ice. Moment of truth. Ooh, no water. It's not clogged anymore. Woohoo! Back home, I got everything that I had on my list for today done, except for one thing that's still open, but I'm going to finish it now, and that is filing my taxes, or at least gather all the documents and then sending them out. Right now I'm feeling pretty normal, but I'll take it slow and basically call it a night and enjoy some K-drama later. This is the time where I can watch 3 episodes an evening, because usually I don't have the time for that and I need to go to sleep, but right now I'm going to indulge on it so much. Is that the microphone that everyone is talking about? Did I manage? Today I decided to have a bit of a stronger matcha. I'm still figuring out my ratios and how I like my drinks. I like sweet drinks, but at the same time I'm trying to reduce the sugar in my matcha, so we'll see. Let's try. Cheers. Not bitter, a bit grassy, and not too strong of a matcha flavor. And I might sound like an expert right now, but I definitely am not. Chang gave me one of the matchas that she uses in her cafe, so I'll try that tomorrow and then see how much of a difference I can taste. Haven't done that yet. Well, that was my bag. Quite sore from yesterday's Reformer Pilates session. Oh, and I bought myself flowers. Let me show you. Ta-da! I bought myself some Pfingstrosen. This one was still closed yesterday and already bloomed, so I feel like I made a better job than when I bought myself tulips. There could be one more flower in there, so 4 is quite little, but I'm happy. Yay! And that was my day yesterday. Working out, groceries, got myself flowers. Then in the evening I was just continuing binging Alchemy of Souls. Now I'm gonna finish this drink and we're going to IKEA. First and foremost, I hope that I will be able to go to IKEA though, because public transport is a little tricky today since we have the biggest bomb disposal in Cologne since World War II, and 20,000 people had to evacuate. Isn't that crazy? Friendly reminder to maybe not wear white when you whisk your matcha so that you don't get stains and have to get rid of them like I did. Oh well. Made it to IKEA. Let's set the scene. Do I need things from IKEA? No. Do I want things from IKEA? Very likely. So I'll have to find the middle ground between the things that I want and the things that I actually need. I'm just mainly here for the vibe and for lunch, really. Andere Hand, andere Hand. Hallo! How cute are those? So cute. It smells like toilet though. Remember how I said I need to find the middle ground between buying things that I need and buying things that I want? Well, I bought 2 things that I needed and 1 that I wanted. I love this type of plant and I used to have one, but yeah, that didn't end well. So I actually went to IKEA thinking if the plant would be there, then I would buy her, and she was there and I bought her. Look how pretty she is. It was worth standing there for like 10 minutes figuring out which one I want. just took down the shelf because I am selling it. I posted it yesterday and already found someone who would like to have it. It was hanging there for 6 years and I just no longer have any joy with it, and I felt like it just doesn't fit there anymore. So yeah, saying goodbye to this one. Cheers. Is this what they mean when they say the matcha tastes umami? It tastes different than the one from yesterday. Flavorful, not grassy. I really think that's what they mean when they say the matcha has this umami flavor. I can't describe it any other way. I'm already dressed and ready to head over to Tao's place because we're going to have a little co-working session today. I should start editing my vlog. I need to continue working on the presentation for the event next week. Finished. Now, let's go. Lecker? Lecker. Mega. Considering that this is actually an enjoying my rent vacation, I am out pretty often. Like right now, I am meeting Chi for lunch, which never happens because usually during lunchtime I'm at work. So I'm excited. We're heading to one of her favorite Japanese restaurants that I haven't been to yet. But I have to say, I feel quite balanced. This is like what I really enjoy right now, being able to do these daytime things, you know? Ơ nhìn nè, em thấy nhìn được nhỉ? Lunch was good. We're so full, and she's currently not on mommy duties, so we're strolling around a little bit. I'm trying to get her to try this like really hype matcha place. I'm gonna try it. Maybe you'll try it too. Other than that, yeah, just checking out a few stores. Không đến nỗi. Cúc mà. Yeah, so cute. Chị uống lấy một cái. Kiểu thỉnh thoảng chị chỉ uống ít này thôi, không uống nhiều quá. So cute. Okay, lấy cái này. Mua. I had so much fun, but I was out much longer than I expected, and now I have to rush because I actually have a workout class, and so I need to remove my makeup, change my clothes, and then head out again. Okay, makeup is off, workout clothes are on, But I just remembered that I timed my washing machine, so I need to hang up the clothes now. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Ooh. Done. Now let's put my shoes on, take the bag and go. Hello. Oops. Yeah. I spent the last 2 days at home editing and the video is finally done and up. I also had this sudden urge to make hojicha cookies, so I did them and it looks really good. Let's do a taste test now. I'm kind of nervous because what if they don't taste good? But they definitely look delicious. Deed. It's good. I'm so glad that I reduced sugar by 1/3, but I could even use more hojicha next time. Maybe 1 teaspoon more, and then it would be perfect. I'm so happy they turned out nice. So this is it for enjoying my rent part 1. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for part number 2. See you next week. Bye bye.